EyeJet 15 is removed from its contoured plastic housing by placing a thumb and index finger in the square opening by the barrel, tilting back while removing. Once removed from the sterile packaging, the EyeJet can be visualized suspended from the hook inside the injector room. Exercise caution when removing the EyeJet from its packaging so that the CTR does not disengage from the hook. Pull the injector clamp back in direction of arrow and over the finger grip until it stops. This simultaneously pulls the plunger back and draws the CTR inside the injector. Remove the clamp. The EyeJet is passed to the surgeon with the white MORCHER stamp on the barrel facing upward, ensuring that the injector tip is beveled down when entering the incision. The hook engaging the CTR eyelet is aimed down. The CTR will release effortlessly from the hook.